front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this OPPO. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose personalizations, click on font and display size, and finally select one of those font styles by tapping on the best one for you. You can see a preview above. Now, in order to save your changes, click on apply and go back. As you can see, after that, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!